Kajing rakhe ya kateo jong kimrat khlau basiteo lenter halor ke phang partnership for wildlife conservation balapelong ke office jong divisional forest officer Janta Hills Wildlife Division jowai kalakut no nen kesni ya ke program penkut lapelong ke snong damtring haba ajing keren hakan kesni UPCCF Biodiversity and Wildlife USM Sahai ulang baka phang mentau senam kalong ke bakongsan nomor babun neki jaka khlau ha ke jela kidai ke balong try de kiri shimet bat kisnong bat ke jing penek pensa tang ka sarkar mawai kamla balong ke babyang lamda kadon ke jing trelang bat ke jing kersan jong kisnong kitau ha ke ngi la samru e kusnam sa ki babun ki briu halor ke jing plat yem ya kimrat.
This year's theme for Wildlife Week is participation, partnerships for wildlife conservation. This is very important. This gives trust for joining hands of different agencies, different stakeholders for this common goal of wildlife protection and conservation.